Today we're going to show you our peanut brittle recipe for beginners. Our simplified recipe doesn't take much time at all and is a lot easier than you would expect, so let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Aarav.
And I'm Ayush.
And you're here on our YouTube channel, The Tasty Twist, the channel that offers you simplified recipes along your baking journey. Okay, so we have a medium saucepan here, and for our peanut brittle recipe, we're going to start off with a half cup of water. We're going to add 1.5 cup of sugar and a half cup of corn syrup. This is light corn syrup. So we're going to put this on low heat to let the sugar dissolve. Alright, so once the sugar is all dissolved, we are going to boil this at medium heat until it gets to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so the reason why we dissolve the sugar before boiling it is because we want to prevent crystallization. And another way to prevent crystallization is by getting a brush and then dipping it in some water and just brushing around the sides, because we do never want crystallization in our mixtures. Alright, if you are going to make peanut brittle, make sure to watch this whole video because there will be some ingredients that you need to have right away and put them in the mixture right away, because if you don't have it, you might be searching around for it and the mixture may burn. Alright, the mixture looks really good. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and whisk it in. Oh, mix it in. Alright, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Okay, for our final ingredient, we're going to add 1.5 cups of roasted and salted peanuts. Alright, we have our pan here that is buttered, and we're going to put our mixture onto the pan and flatten it out. And we're going to work fast and flatten it out until it gets about 1/2 inch. Okay, so this hardens very, very fast. So we're just going to leave it for 15 minutes until it's completely hardened and it cools down. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific time for one of the last videos in our 30-day posting challenge. If you enjoyed this video or learned something from it, consider giving us a thumbs up down below. That is it for now, so click over here for our last video. Click down there for our 30-day posting challenge. And if you would like to subscribe right here, and we will see you in our next video. Have an awesome day. Bye.